My name is Richard Uslan. I'm an experienced criminal defense attorney. I've been practicing in Somerville, where my office is located, and I've been admitted to the New Jersey bar for over 30 years. You're watching this video because you are facing a drug-related matter in Cranford, New Jersey. And in a previous video, I discussed issues of search and seizure that an experienced attorney can help you with. But now, assuming that that was a valid search and seizure of the drugs that were in your possession, arguably, I want you to realize that you don't give up hope, that an experienced attorney can still defend you on this charge. And one of the ways of doing that is to challenge the scientific evidence itself. The first thing that would have to be done would be to determine whether or not the proof of drugs is as a result of examination by a chemist or a hospital laboratory where there was blood or urine taken from your body to be tested for evidence of drugs. In the case of a state police chemist where drugs have been sent down to that chemist, the first thing that has to be done is you have to order the complete records of that chemist. I have a background in chemistry. I know how to challenge mass spectroscopy. I know how to read laboratory reports as well as chemists' notes. These are ways to challenge and cross-examine vigorously the chemist's conclusions, because after all, a chemist may only be able to testify about what type of drug allegedly you were in possession of. They're not qualified to testify whether you were under the influence of that drug or not. In the case of blood or urine being taken from you, it's necessary to order the hospital records and review those in detail, and to produce the phlebotomist who drew the blood or the laboratory technician who collected the urine. It's advisable to order a copy of not a copy, but the exact same blood kit that the police used if they were the ones that had the phlebotomist in their presence take blood from you. That has to be done in a medically accepted manner as well. And in those events, if that wasn't done correctly, there will be no way you'll be convicted of this matter, because the state won't be able to introduce that evidence. They may also try to use what's called a drug recognition evaluator, a DRE. Those are state police and local police officers who claim they have special training. I'm not certain, and in my experience, they're not always qualified as expert witnesses, and they're also, even if they were qualified as expert witnesses, not qualified to testify about what's necessary to convict you. Any experienced attorney will be able to tell you this, and I've been doing this for over 30 years, both as an assistant prosecutor at the county level, a municipal prosecutor, and as a defense attorney for decades. I look forward to speaking to you and helping you in this matter.